What I do once I'm done making my intro is I go ahead, type what I want into a Canva doc. I just make a blank document that's 1920 by 1080 pixels, as you can see up there. And then what I do is I just make sure the background is transparent. This is a Canva Pro feature, but you need it to make any writing that you want in your video. So basically what I'm doing is I'm creating any labeling like you'll see in a video. Someone might like pop in some words. That's basically what I'm doing right now, but I save it as a PNG. So basically it's a kind of a picture that I'm layering on top of the video. It's not created actually in iMovie. It goes up here, which will make sense once you import it and download it, but it's going up there, creating a layer on top of the video. I don't know if that makes any sense. Once I am done typing whatever I want in Canva, this is just an example right now that I'm using. I pull this into iMovie. Basically, I just drag it in, and I'm just gonna delete this one for example purposes. And right now it's expanding, which I personally don't like the look of. So I go in here, go to crop to fill. This creates a stable look throughout the clip, so it's not expanding necessarily. Sometimes when I used another program, it would kind of zoom in a lot more, basically Ken Burns, and I didn't like that either. So I would just drag this little slider here. This like makes it transition in, which I just personally, sometimes I like the look of it, other times I don't. It just kind of depends. But if you just want a simple pop in, that's how you do it. Once I'm done with everything and I'm happy with my whole video, I'll go in and check the sound and make sure it's fairly consistent. I like to keep my computer set like right in the halfway point for the sound. So I think that makes it easiest to detect like whatever someone else is hearing, because obviously you don't want them to constantly be adjusting the volume up and down throughout their viewing experience. I feel like it just makes it so much worse. So I try to keep everything fairly simple. Obviously you can just drag, or you can highlight clips and go over here into the sound, which is really helpful as well if you have like a bunch of clips, and you can drag that slider or mute multiple clips at one time. Once you're totally happy with your movie, just make sure that you are uploading in the highest quality. My movie's 4K right now, so I'm just going to be uploading in that for YouTube, and it'll say YouTube and Facebook right there, like at the top. And basically you're ready to publish and put it into the YouTube Creator Studio. So that's pretty much how you edit a video in iMovie in like about 5 minutes.